Hello everyone, my name is Farhan Muhammad and I'm here today to show you how the lab and myself we can help you with your pharmaceutical formulations and beyond. Let's discover together. Yes, indeed, it's true that optimizing time, resources and energy consumption are one of the main topics when it comes to saving during production. For example, for tableting studies with our Style 1 Nano R&D tablet press, we can use this equipment to optimize compaction behavior with the lowest amount of powder needed. That way we can generate compactability and tabletability studies to find the perfect balance between the mechanical strength needed and the energy consumption to reach the target hardness with the lowest amount of compression forces needed. Also, to address poor compressibility, we can perform some wet granulation studies by either high shear mixing or fluid bed granulation. This way we can minimize the impact of speed during tableting and bump up production yield. It's true that capping, lamination, sticking, these are just a few examples of the trouble we can find during the scale-up of tableting process. This is why here at Safic, the equipment were chosen with special care regarding troubleshooting in production scale. First of all, we can evaluate the physical properties of the powder with density, flowability, particle size, and moisture studies before going further. Afterward, we can perform some tableting to adjust process parameters and formulation. So it's very important to know that the equipments we have in our lab are smaller replicas than what we can find in the real world. So we are able to match the compression profiles and the dwell time during tableting, for example. With our high shear mixer, we can also find critical points such as impeller tip speed, power consumption, and also torque to pinpoint the end point of granulation. And lastly, with our pan coater, we can address critical points such as tablet bed temperature, spray rate, and lastly, air and pattern atomization pressure to scale up our process. So pharmaceutical formulators tends to prioritize ongoing project development. And we know it can be a challenge to take some time to seek for innovation in the pharmaceutical world. So this is why we take the time to organize trainings, seminars, masterclasses, together with our partner to invite our customer to the lab for theoretical and practical training sessions. So that way we help you discover new ingredients for your formulations. Thank you everyone for your attention. I hope we helped you get a better understanding of the lab. Feel free to ask more questions if you need, and if you want to accelerate your projects, don't forget to book a meeting to discover the lab.